Hey YouTube, it's your girl Maya. Today I'm doing a video on how to change your Facebook page name. I had such a hard time with this, so I decided to do a video in case any of you run into some issues. So here on Google, I did a quick search, how to change your Facebook page name. And we're going to look at the breakdown, the more detailed breakdown instructions, which first says access the admin page. And I have a second page here with my Facebook page. It says log into your Facebook account and navigate to the page you want to rename. Click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner, then select all profiles. Okay, I'm gonna select all profiles and switch to the page, which is already here. Switch to the page you're managing. Here, arrow back. Then the instruction says to here are the instructions. Navigate to page settings. Let's click back over here. Navigate to page settings. So click on your page profile picture, then go to settings and privacy, and then settings. So here we have settings and privacy, and then settings. And then it says find the name section. And this is where I kind of got lost, you guys, because I don't see a name section here. Let me click back. I printed the directions. So we're at number 3, find the name section. Under general page settings, locate the name section. Go back here. So it says under general page settings. I'm looking here. I see preferences, audience and visibility, payment, permissions, your information, resources, community standards, and legal policy. I do not see general page settings. I see page detail, page setup. So this is where I got lost. And I went back over here and clicked under my name. There is no general page settings. There is no name. There's display. And I've already went through all of these. And I scrolled down here and I didn't see anything. So one thing I didn't do, I didn't search for it here. But I did discover where you need to go. If you're like me and you can't find general page settings, to go to locate the name, as it says on step 3 here, find the name section. Okay, so this is the steps that you need to take. Is once you get here, settings and privacy, you go down to page setup. Okay, click on page setup. That is the magic word under audience and visibility. Click on page setup. And once you click on page setup, then you will see name. And you click on name. Click the arrow. You go to name. And here you have the option to edit the name. So you could click to edit it. I am not going to edit my name because I had just changed that page just a few days ago. It took me a while to figure it out. So again, the magic word is page setup under settings and privacy, and then you will get to name, and you could click on here, click edit, change it to the name that you want to. Once you click back on it, I'm not able to change mine because I just changed it. But once you put the name that you want, it's going to give you an option to hit save. And then once you save it, I think it says you can't change it for another 60 days. Okay. So I hope you have found this video, ladies and gentlemen, helpful. If you do, subscribe so you don't miss another video, like, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss another awesome video. All right, this is how to change your Facebook page name. Till next time, stay blessed.